Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about skin care, self-care, pampering, grooming, how to get soft skin, like soft skin. I mean, really soft skin. If you're a woman and you have rough hands, rough skin, sis, you're not a woman. You better put that lotion on. I mean, I'm serious, guy. I'm really serious. And I watch a YouTuber say that if you have rough skin, you're the man. So if you're the woman, you need to have soft skin. When the man touches your hand or touches you, it's soft. I cannot step out of the shower with that lotion. This is like impossible. I need some type of lotion, and even white people, all races need lotion. You can't see the white stuff, if you scratch your hand and you didn't put lotion or you haven't put lotion, you will see that it's ashy. When people touches me, I got like 2 compliments. I mean, those are obviously compliments on my skin that is like soft and it's soft. I forgot the other word, but you know what I mean. It looks like it's baby skin basically, and I don't really shave here. No, I try to shave, but I don't shave often. But what I do is I put lotion. Simple as that. Like the first compliment I got, this girl was like, "Oh my god, touch your hand, it's so soft." I was like, okay. I was like, okay, it's so soft. And she was like, "What do you use on your hand?" Lotion. I use lotion. I mean, yeah, she was amazed that. And then one time at work, another person, a woman told me like, she was talking about something, and then she said, she was, "Oh my god, your skin is so soft." She go, and then she came back again and said, "It's so soft." I was like, "Thank you." Like, I was like, whoa, people really out here telling me that my skin is soft. Like, there's really, like, I need to make a video about that. I mean, I need to make something. There's like, for me it's a compliment. Like, let's be real, if people say that your skin is soft, so the first thing is use lotion. I mean, this video seems like, duh, but use lotion, but not any kind of lotion, and not anytime you can use it. I said it, you need to have lotion 24/7, but it's best to use after shower. And it is best, my number 1 tips, always get something with shea butter. Number 1, always get something with shea butter, because shea butter is really, moisturizing. It's a thick, like, if you have, let me show you, if you have anything, if you want to put raw shea butter on your skin, you can too. This is the shea butter that I have, and this is the lotion, Nivea, and this is like the 48 Deep Moisture with shea butter and vitamin E, and this one is with oil, of course, but you can also put oil on that and then scoop and moisturize your body. But I found this is thick, so I use this on my face. I use shea butter really all the time. I use on my face, I use on my body. That's why my body is so glowy. That's why my body is so glowy, so soft, so baby skin looking, is because of shea butter. And I've been using shea butter. You know, if you're African, you know shea butter is the tea. And you know, before, my lotion was basically shea butter, and you can still use shea butter. I would still use shea butter, you know, but I'm just too lazy to melt the butter into my hand, and then, you know, so I prefer something with a pump, something like that. But you know, always use something base shea butter. I don't care, it can be like exfoliating cream, you need to have shea butter. It can be skincare routine, skincare product, shea butter. For me, shea butter. So the reason that shea butter, you know, is really moisturizing, it will really penetrate your skin. And if you anything, you know, like my sister, my chocolate sisters, you know what I'm talking about. Shea butter is the truth. It can moisturize your skin, any type of skin, any races. I mean, you need shea butter, of course. So tips number one, get either shea butter or lotion based shea butter. Like the ingredient must have shea butter in it, so it will be good for you. And I don't really recommend this one because this one is really light. So if you want something like powerful, combine those two, real shea butter and this cream, you will see that it makes a huge difference. And this is because maybe I take like bite by bite, I don't take like large amounts, you know, because you know when your when your body is big, like my body is not that big, but I get lazy, you know. You need to do your leg, you need to do all of that, and sometimes it's like, you know, pump but it says 48 hours48 hours deep moisture. It is kind of true, but if you want really deep moisture, you need to pair it with something else. And that's why all my cream has shea butter in it. I think I have another one, and this is the Nivea one, the complete blue one. This one is so nice. Number two would be, it's number one is the product you can use, and number two, you need to use every time you take a shower. Sis, every part of your body, you put the cream. You put it. Like, I take a shower like 2 times a day. When you know, in the morning and at night, when I comes from work or school, you know, anytime you went outside, it's really important to take like 2 showers a day. And if you if you wake up, you take 1 shower and then it's good for the day, that's okay. You can take a shower at night also, but you know, you need to put lotion like on your whole entire body. And I don't know what makes my arms on my hands really soft, but I would say that shea butter does help. And the way you apply it, don't need, like, you need a lot, but you need often. Like, you know, I apply every single day lotion. I mean, this is like number one. You cannot have a shower and then not put lotion on. I cannot put oil doesn't moisturize anything. So bonus tip, you can either, I started to use like baby oil or any kind of oil honestly it will make like a difference. And baby oil is great, you know, after shower you put the oil, and this will be like in my hygiene video, but you know, I started to use it again after shower, and I will find another body oil, and this is great like if you want to get like extra moisture. So yeah, this is the video. That is my tips on how to get soft skin and glowy skin also. And one thing for sure, don't moisturize your body with perfume lotion. Like you need to mix it with somebody else, something else, not somebody else. You need to mix it with something else. Like if you do want to use, you want to smell good or something, you want to smell flowers, you want to smell anything, pair it with shea butter, please. Pair it with something thick, because it will not do anything for, at least for my skin, not a thing. So believe me, that's how you get soft skin. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel down below and click the bell down below, so you will get notified every time I upload a YouTube video. I upload 2 times a week for now, so make sure to like, subscribe and share. I will see you in my next one. Bye.